Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fix and Cruise, your go-to channel for automotive tips, tricks, and essential maintenance advice. Today, we're diving into a common issue that can plague many vehicles: a dirty mass airflow sensor. Ever wondered why your car might be running a bit rough, consuming more fuel than usual, or even throwing a mysterious check engine light? Often, the unsung hero, or in this case the unsung culprit, can be your mass airflow sensor, or MAF. This crucial component measures the amount of air entering your engine, sending vital information to your car's computer to ensure the correct fuel-air mixture. In today's video, we're going to watch someone attempt to clean a MAF sensor. While cleaning can sometimes resolve performance issues, it's a job that requires precision and the right tools. Stick around after the clip, because I'll be breaking down what we see and sharing some critical insights that could save you a headache and a lot of money down the road. Let's roll the footage. Alright, so we just saw a demonstration of a MAF sensor being removed and cleaned. Let's break down what happened in that clip and analyze the steps. First, the individual correctly disconnected the electrical connector from the MAF sensor, which is a crucial first step when working with any electrical component in your vehicle. Then, they used a screwdriver to remove the two screws holding the sensor in place, allowing for its easy extraction from the air intake tube. So far, so good. The removal process was textbook, 0.05 to 0.30. Once the sensor was out, the cleaning began. The person used a spray, which appeared to be a general-purpose cleaner, spraying it liberally over the sensor's delicate elements. They then used compressed air to dry the sensor, and finally wiped it down with a cloth before reinstalling it and reconnecting the electrical harness. Again, the reinstallation steps mirrored the removal process, which is standard procedure. Now, while the intent behind cleaning the MAF sensor is sound, a dirty sensor can indeed cause problems, the method used here raises some serious concerns that we need to address. This is where the how becomes just as important as the what. This brings us to our critical take. While the removal and reinstallation were correct, two major red flags appeared during the cleaning process that could potentially cause more harm than good. First and foremost, the cleaner itself. It looked like a general-purpose solvent, perhaps a carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner. This is a big mistake. MAF sensors are incredibly delicate, containing hot wires or film elements coated with platinum or other special materials. These non-specialized cleaners can leave a residue that can further foul the sensor, or worse, they can chemically damage the sensitive elements, completely ruining the sensor. You absolutely must use a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. These are specifically formulated to evaporate quickly and leave no residue, protecting those fragile components. The second major issue was wiping the sensor with a cloth. This is an absolute no-go. Even a soft cloth can damage or break the delicate hot wires or film. Additionally, a cloth can leave behind tiny lint fibers, which will immediately recontaminate the sensor and defeat the purpose of cleaning it in the first place. When cleaning a MAF sensor, the only physical contact should be from the spray itself. After spraying with the correct MAF cleaner, the sensor should be allowed to air dry completely, or, if you must, use very low-pressure compressed air from a safe distance, making sure it's completely oil-free. Failing to follow these guidelines can lead to a sensor that reads incorrectly, causing your engine's computer to inject the wrong amount of fuel. This could result in poor fuel economy, rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, or even a persistent check engine light that won't go away until the damaged sensor is replaced. And trust me, a new MAF sensor isn't cheap. So, to wrap things up, cleaning your mass airflow sensor can be a viable maintenance task to improve your car's performance and efficiency. However, it's not a job where you can cut corner. Always remember these key points. Use only a dedicated MAF sensor cleaner. Never touch or wipe the delicate sensing elements. Allow the sensor to air dry completely, or use gentle, oil-free compressed air from a distance. If you're unsure about the process, or if you suspect your MAF sensor is beyond cleaning and needs replacement, it's always best to consult your vehicle's service manual or a trusted professional mechanic. Getting it wrong can cost you more in the long run. We hope this video gave you a clearer understanding of how to properly approach MAF sensor cleaning. If you found this helpful, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Fix and Cruise for more automotive wisdom, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.